today it is Tuesday. Yesterday I couldn't start my
YouTube.
So Nabile,
appointment, but I told her that. Hi my lovers, welcome to yet another vloggy vlog. If this is your very first time, my name is Ritabile, but I am known as Ritabs, and welcome to my YouTube. And if you are returning regular, welcome back, babe. Thank you very much for tuning in, for coming back. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the bell button to be notified every time when I upload a new video. So today it is Tuesday. Yesterday I couldn't start my vlog because I was very tired. I was working on my clients week. Yeah, like on the last vlog I did mention that my assistant did not do the things that was supposed to be done with the week, so I had to fix that. So I had to make sure yesterday that it is 100%. I don't want to fight with my clients. I don't want a bad name for my business. I just want to do good things, even though it's not possible to always do good things, but I want 98% to be good things only. So currently as you can see that I'm wearing my business shirt, meaning that I'm going to a gig, or I'm coming back. But right now I'm going to a gig. It's currently to 1, so I was supposed to be at the appointment. We made an appointment for 1 p.m. So around 12 the customer called me that they are running late because we are going to meet at the hotel. So they are running late, then they will let me know or get through, so that we'll get there together, instead of me going there and waiting for them. So I'm waiting for their call, then that's when I will request and meet them there. I just hope that they'll be on time, because the hairstyle that baby girl is wanting, it's curls, and you know curls takes time. So it's her metric dance, so I was communicating with the mother. So let me show you the wig right now of what the baby girl wanted. Like I said last time, it's a 24 inches wig. You see the quality is still amazing, even though we have bleached it went through a lot, but the quality is still giving. This is the 24 inches color for 2,900 rand. You get any color that you want. So the baby girl wanted this honey blonde color, and that's what she got. Remember that it was black, but now it is honey blonde, baby. It is honey blonde. So yeah, I love the fact that I was able to get her color, and I hope that she will love it. You know how teenagers are. You might find that she says, no, this is what this is not what I thought, you know, in my mind. This is not what the color that I have imagined. And one thing about bleaching wigs, especially a black one, from black to a different color, there's no way that the color can be like honey blonde all over. Somewhere somehow it will be a little bit darker or lighter than the other areas. But so far I love the fact that most of the color, most of the strands here is honey blonde instead of that color. So that color is there and there, but I love that. I love it. The quality is amazing. So I had something to eat. I tried to make something to eat because I will also be having another client at 5 p.m. but I just told her that I'm going to come to her from 5 p.m. because yesterday was supposed to be our appointment. Then she was running errands. She has an event that she has to attend. So I told her that the only time I can be able to reschedule for you is today, anytime from 5 p.m. so I can see that I'll be running late. So what I want to do right now, I still don't feel full, but I've eaten. So I'm just going to have this Clover Bliss double cream what it's a strawberry and cream flavored double cream. I'll just have that. Then yeah, that's it. That's basically it, and I guess we'll catch up on the next clip. Bye.
Hi guys, we are still here at it's Camel Drift, I think. I'm still here. I'm only left with preparing her hair. I did almost, let's say, 90% of her hair. It's done. The only thing is for me to take out the curls because there's still pins on the curls. So yeah, we are here, and this is a very very beautiful place to be. I love it. Even though it's very bushy, but it's a very nice place, and it's very luxury. I loved it. So yeah, it's a metric dance, and they're already running late already. So now I'm just waiting for the designer to dress her up, and the photographer that's still busy taking her pictures. Then while she's still dressing up, then once they are done, that's when I will finish up her hair, because her mom said I should just leave the hair and allow her to wear. Then once she's done wearing her dress, then that's when I will take her hair down. Yeah, so it's currently 5:30. So I'm stressed because I have another client. I told her that I will be at her place at 7. So now it's 5:30, meaning that I might leave this place around past 6. And yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot, and can't cancel my customer. I can't cancel her. I just have to continue with her. Even if I get to her place at 8, then I will still be working. It's okay. And tomorrow, there's a client who said it's also her metric dance. She said that she will talk to her mom regarding the payments of the house call. We're communicating today. So she said she will answer me later this day. If she does answer me, then it means that I will have a client tomorrow. But if she doesn't, I won't be having a customer, but I will have to go and stock my business products, because I've been having so many clients. Then I have to prepare for a wedding, because I have a wedding this weekend. So yeah.
Good morning, my loves. Welcome to yet another day in the vloggy vlog. Today it is Wednesday, the 1st of October, and welcome. I just got back from my client, my 7 a.m. client. Currently it is to 8, I think. I'm going to prepare myself for my 10 a.m. client. So it is also going to be a house call. Yeah, yesterday I came back around 8:30. It was very late, so I had to cancel my client, my 5 p.m. client, and we postponed it to now at 7 a.m. because she has to go to an event today. So there was no other time that we can book another appointment at. So yeah, that's basically it. So currently I'm going to prepare myself to go to the 10 a.m. client, like I said. And then first of all, I am going to have myself breakfast. I bought the blueberry muffins. I'm going to taste them. Not the blueberry muffins. What am I saying? It's the blueberry scones. Yeah, you know, I love blueberries. Like last time I made blueberry muffins, so now I'm going to taste the blueberry scones. But I feel like those scones were expensive for their price, because so I expect 5 scones to be 10 rands. So but God, these ones, they said 4 of them is 30 rands. you can imagine. But I was like, okay, because now get the meal discounts, let me just have them and then taste them for the first and last time. I can't spend 80 rand for discounts to 4. No, I can't. Mokasi, the 4 or 5 is 10 rands. That's it. Or 12 rands. 30 rand. I can't. 30 rands. Yo, I can't. But it's okay. I'm going to make myself some coffee right now. And then, yeah, that's when I'll prepare myself to go to my next client. Yo, camera, guys. My room. I wanna look at Kenya like what it's right now. When I just got in, I was like, my room does not look like it belongs to a lady. Like, it's a mess. The way I've been so busy is a mess, and I have a 3 p.m. client, so I have to, that is coming here. So I have to make sure it's perfect before she gets here. And I better tell you more, yeah, because I'm messy in here, so I have to do something about that. When I come back, I must fix this mess. Give it right. But okay, that's it, guys. I guess we'll catch up on the next clip. Bye.
Hi my loves, welcome to yet another day in the vlog. Today it is Thursday and it's currently 2 p.m. I am at my client's place. I'm waiting for her to come out. So yeah, I just wanted to say I'm still here, I'm still breathing. I hope the lighting is good. Yeah, I hope the lighting is good. So my client is here. I guess we'll catch up later. I beg you. Hi guys, welcome back. I just got done with my client. I'm now walking to catch a taxi. It's currently to 4 and I have 4 p.m. appointment, but I told her that I'll be running late. I'm out of breath, guys. I hope I'm showing. This thing of me not having a tripod is something else, because my hand is already tired. So I'm working. With my client, I'm not happy with my client, because how can you call a makeup artist and expect to be you, like to still be you? You understand? So it's something else. Oh guys, I'm out of breath, and my hand now. I guess I'll catch up with you guys later. I should go and get my tripod from my client's place, because I can't. Oh. So she said she wanted to be here, but you call the makeup artist. Why don't you just why don't you just do yourself makeup that you want and that you prefer? And you saw my work, how I change people. Now you say you want to look natural. The makeup artist, I wanted something natural, but the makeup artist did what she had to do. But I love the look. The hell, the fuck. Okay guys, we'll catch up later. Bye, love you.